Sonowal ji.
Madam, I am thankful to Captain Vijay Sawla ji and also Dulal ji, MP Dulal ji, and for their kind extension of support to this bill. I rise today to move particularly this merchant shipping bill. It is a very, very advanced, progressive and modern legislation up to date with the International Maritime Convention and consisting of all relevant incorporation from global best practices of leading maritime nation in continuation of the series of legal reforms undertaken in the past 11 years by our ministry under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which have led to increased growth and development for the maritime and shipping sector. And we are endeavoring to undertake reforms of other major laws governing the sector. It is also a matter of great pride that under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, India has emerged as one of the largest supplier of seafarers. The Merchant Shipping Act 1958 presently governs merchant shipping in India and implements certain international maritime organization convention. However, the present act is outdated since it does not provide for some of the critical obligations under the international convention that have been adopted by India. The act is a bulky and fragmented legislation containing 561 sections as a result of various amendments carried out from time to time. The Act is no longer adequate to realize our developmental vision and address the contemporary challenges of the maritime sector. Additionally, the 1958 Act prioritizes regulation over enablement and, as a result, does not adequately represent the bankability of India as a maritime trade hub. Aligning the domestic law with international best practices and IMO convention leads to predictability in this transaction. Such alignment in turn enhances a country's bankability as a maritime jurisdiction. Therefore, enablement of increasing India's bankability in maritime sector is core focus of the bill. Thank you, madam.